Here's a client who came to us from a different place. When I asked her the reason why she was changing, she mentioned that her previous salon is no longer offering lash extensions. After taking a closer look, I can see why. Here's what I found wrong with this set. The extensions are all crooked. Too much glue was used to apply these extensions, and you can tell from the visible balls of glue at the base. And there are also a lot of stickies. If you want to have a long-lasting lash business, it's very important to apply extensions in a way that it doesn't damage the client's lashes. I've heard so many stories from clients who wrote off extensions because of sets like this. I'm glad that this client came to us so we can give her a totally different experience. We started off with the removal. For a complete removal, I always like to use a cream remover. I apply it everywhere, then I let it sit for a few minutes. Then I gently wipe down the lashes using a doe foot and a paper towel. If the remover worked its magic, the extensions would simply slip off. If not, I would reapply more remover and let it sit longer. For the super stubborn ones, I like to use my tweezers and gently peel off the extensions one by one. You can see as I'm wiping down the lashes, there's a lot of black residue left behind on the paper towel. This tells me that this set was done using a lot of adhesive. Good work takes time. So when you book for lashes and the lash technician tells you that it only takes 30 minutes, I would simply walk away. On the other hand, it could be the studio who's putting pressure on their stylist to do a quick job for a quick turnaround, which may be beneficial for the business short term, but for long term, everyone will end up losing.
Broken bones, broken heart, where can I be mended? A little lonely, much afraid, where am I befriended?
I got most of the easy extensions with my doe foot. Now for the stubborn ones, I'm going to use my tweezers.
Where can I lay myself down? Eyes are red, buzzing head. Someone stop this sound. Here I learn to rest. Only in stillness, gently I am formed anew. Only in nearness with you.
I had trouble with one remaining extensions. You can see that there is a big ball of glue at the base, and this needed additional time to break down, so I was able to remove it during my set.
Remind me of the garden, recall for me the scent of long walks under trees, feeling once again like myself, stirring in the morning, for cool ground underfoot, so next to me, it's you again, garden friend. Here I learn to rest, only in stillness. Gently I am formed anew, only in
And before I start a new set, I always cleanse, rinse, then dry. Here's my finished work. I mixed some brown lashes in with the set as her request. What do you think? Please leave me a comment below because I would always love to hear from you. See you next time. Bye.